I'm Alan Pullen. I'm the portfolio manager for the Magellan Global Opportunities Fund. I was one of those kids trading stocks in high school, doing it pretty badly, but I certainly got the bug. I realized then that equities were the best way to build long-term wealth. But I realized over time that how I invested was really had to do with long-term and high-quality companies. And I really wanted to do that, selecting companies anywhere in the world, the best investments that I could find. The Global Opportunities Fund has been going now since 2022. And really it was actually a client who came to us, one of our large US institutional clients in the Magellan Global Fund. And they said, we really like what you do. We like the investment philosophy, the focus on quality companies, the long-term investing style, but we'd like a fund that's fully invested at all times. We're really looking for something more like market type levels of risk. And we realized that this was a gap in our portfolio, that we really could take advantage of what our investment philosophy gives us, which is superior risk and return relative to the markets, really lean into that return part a little bit more rather than taking the risk down. So it's that core Magellan philosophy, high quality companies, long-term investment, intrinsic value focus, but with a different risk and return framework. So when I'm constructing the portfolio, we're really focused on getting the combination of three things right on the individual stock positions. That is the highest quality companies we can find, the most undervalued companies we can, subject to intrinsic valuation, which is very different to simplistic headline metrics. Third factor to consider is risk. And we have risk constraints around the portfolio to make sure we don't basically get over our skis in any one sector or thematic, so it's fairly well diversified. So how do we do that? Well, the biggest positions are basically that combination of high quality, intrinsic value support, and low risk. I do believe that equities are the best way to build long-term wealth, and I encourage everybody to really think about their long-term goals and investing. But it is a long-term journey. It's not something that you're going to get quick overnight, and you have to spend the time to understand the quality of the business you're investing in and its long-term prospects.